Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pamilerin, and today's video is going to be all about achieving the perfect braid out from this protective style. If you've not checked out my previous video on how I achieved this style, the links will be in the description box down below. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel, and you can join the family by hitting on the subscribe button, the notification bell right beside it, so you can get notified when new videos drop. And make sure you smash the like button, and at the end of the video do leave a comment. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get right into it.
Firstly, I'll be taking down the African threading protective style. Ensure to snip close to the knot to avoid cutting parts of your natural hair or your relaxed hair, your transitioning hair. We do not want to reduce the length of our natural hair. If you've not checked out the previous videos on how I achieved these styles, the link will be in the description box down below on how I was able to come about an easier method to threading, especially for those having issues gripping the roots. Then I'll be repeating the process for all portions of the hair. Ensure you take your time when taking down this protective style to avoid cutting any portion of your hair. Next up, I'll be showing you the products I used to maintain moisture in my braids for a long time in this protective style, which is just my leave-in conditioner, my oil mix, and my shea butter. Notice how moisturized my hair looks even while it was in this protective style for almost 2 weeks. Then ensure to secure the portion you will not be taking down at this moment. Then go in with your oil mix to moisturize the portion you'll be taking down. Mine contains olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and andre oil. Ensure to massage it properly into the braids. The taking out process was quite easy for me because I ended my braids in twists, although the twists had been stretched out due to the African threading. The definition I got from this was really amazing, and this was my first time trying out this braid out style and even trying this braid out style in a African threading form. So ensure you try it out. The definition I got was quite shocking. I actually wasn't expecting this to be successful, but it was successful. Then I'm just going in repeating the same process by losing the twist, then taking down the braid step by step. You can only achieve definition in this protective style method if you take down the braid step by step. Then that's the only way you can get your definition from this African threading braid out style. Ensure all portions of your hair is well oiled to make the takedown process very easy. For the stretched out ends, you can use your rat tail comb to comb it all out, or you can just use your fingers like I'm doing to fluff it out. Ensure you do not tamper too much with the braids so that you do not lose a lot of the definition. Next up, you can use your hand to fluff out the lower portion of your hair to add more volume, or you can just go in with your afro comb to give it more volume. You can also loosen some portions of the braid out to increase the volume of your hair, but I decided to leave mine just like this because I wanted to still maintain lots of definition. Then for the styling out process, I'll be using my Eco Styler gel. This is the crystal gel. It is very safe for natural hair as it has no alcohol, so you can also use this, or you can decide not to lay your edges. It's quite optional. I will leave a link in the description box down below of the different gels, hair gels that I've reviewed, which is the Gorilla Snot gel, the Got to Be gel, and the Eco Styler, so you can know which one is quite appropriate for natural hair and it's healthy. After a while, I decided to change the pattern for the hair because I saw it didn't really add a lot of volume while at this stage, so I decided to just go in for a side parting which give my hair more volume. So you can use any parting of your choice that works with your hair volume, your hair length and the likes. Just giving you a little bit of photo shoot to show you my definition shots. Then for this parting, I'll be holding down the section that I'll be slicking down with my bobby pins just to give it a laid back look. Next up, I'll be accessorizing with silver clips as it matches my clothes and it also looks very nice. You can also accessorize with gold pins or cowries or beads. You can use any styling accessory of your choice. If you like this style and you want to recreate it, kindly let me know in the comment section down below, or if you recreated it before, kindly share your experience on this braid out African threading style.
So guys, with that we've come to the end of today's video. If you liked today's video and you would love to recreate it, ensure to tag me on my Instagram page at FHB by Pam. The link will be in the description box down below. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell right beside it so you can get notified for new video uploads, and hit the like button also. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below on what you loved about this video or any new video suggestions on what you would like to see on this YouTube channel. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.